I see you soon, son. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good job. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. I see you soon. Give Mama kisses.
Good night.
I love you. See you soon. Come on, let's go. We're late. We're late. We're late for a really important date.
Natalie, you have to grab that bag.
Get it. Get it. Hurry up. Get it. It's already dark out, you guys. It's 4:17 and it looks like it's 8:17 at night or something. It's really dark. It's 27 degrees. Riker and Daddy are gonna hang out at home. And I'm really fuzzy. Focus, 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 hocus pocus. Where are we?
At Value Village to go get Mommy some Ninja Turtle figures and then we will go Christmas shopping! I don't know.
Oh, look at these. These are cute.
Let's get that for Kai.
Kylie would love those, wouldn't she?
Let's get them for Christmas.
They even look brand new, and they probably are brand new.
Natalie is climbing the rope at gymnastics. She's good at it. I forgot to get. Okay, I'm just smiling. On the bow.
Woo!
Mom, she just did it!
I know.
Oh my gosh! Oh my god! This is exactly how I stood when I did my back and flip.
Oh. Good girl. Good job. Yay! High five. You did so
My
good.
fingers hurt when I was climbing the rope.
Yeah. Maddie was filming on the first time you climbed the rope and she's like this. So you can't really see it. So then I filmed you, but you didn't make it the time that I filmed you. Yeah, she was just wiggle worm, wiggle worm.
Wiggle worm, wiggle worm.
Not a good photographer.
Ready?
What are you gonna do? Hi guys! So it's 7:41 and I'm freezing my booty off.
And I did such a great job.
All you girls did a great job.
It's
So Madeline got invited, I guess, there's like 3 cheer teams. There's like the juniors.
Bye, Morgan.
Bye.
I see you
Put your window up.
tomorrow.
Put your window up. There's the juniors, the youth, and then like the tiny tots. Kylie's on the youth, and I guess the tiny tots, one of their girls is out sick and there's competition next month and she's not going to be back in time, or I don't know all the details, but they need somebody to fill in, and so they asked Madeline if she would want to fill in because she used to be in competitive cheer at a different gym. So that's exciting. So she starts that tomorrow, and
Maddie goes all week now.
now she's going to be at the gym 4 days a week, just like Kylie. So, oh my word. But it'll be fun for her, and it's probably just gonna be through February, I think.
Yeah, because they don't travel.
Yeah, they don't travel in April, so.
The tiny tots routine.
That's exciting. Are you excited, Maddie?
Yes.
Yes. She loves cheerleading. She loves gymnastics more, but this will be fun
I
for her,
would
so.
think that I will be on Kylie's cheer. So,
Well, you're not on Kylie's cheer. You're
like, this
just.
was part of their song.
But you'll be at the competition that Kylie's gonna be at in Soldotna next month.
Soldotna in California?
No, Soldotna, then
It's gonna be so hard.
I think in here.
There's one here in February.
I don't know, but there's one in Soldotna.
Mommy.
What are you doing, son? What are you doing? Riker.
Yes, it is. No, it isn't. I have my whole bowl of snowflakes and coal.
Are you helping do the
No, where's
dishes?
my paper? I threw it away. I threw my papers. No,
He crawled in there all by himself.
use that.
Maddie,
Stop crying.
Maddie's having a fit. This is real life, huh?
Real
You
life.
better be careful. Come on, let's go take your bath. Let's go take your bath.
Wait, go take your